Hey, what's up, Rob? Yeah, so that move yesterday, Rob, that move yesterday, that was not a spike up. That was an actual move. Yeah, that was actually a move. I don't know why, but Snip Interactive, and no idea what that is. But that was yeah, that was actual move up. Oddly enough, on that one was like a 10x in one day. So pretty crazy. Morning, Mohammed. All right, Tesla holding up here. Looks like the market pretty flat. Rob, I know you asked after I left something about the Bollinger Bands yesterday. Yeah, the Bollinger Bands, I mean, maybe we go a little tighter on them, but we're sitting here poking at all-time highs. We're not blasting through yet. There's a little bit of a concern there that we're not truly up and through. Um, there's a bit of a trend going on here. Probably it's obviously too vertical for that to keep on an index. So if that trend can come down to the middle trend line, we can get a tight Bollinger Band, and then maybe we can bounce up. So that's a possibility. Yeah, thinking you may re-enter. Yeah, I mean maybe take some of your profits, figure out how much you're willing to give up, and then go with it. I don't know what's running this thing right now. I don't even know why you got in it to begin with, and the fact it was just a like what on this chart makes you even want to jump in on that thing. I don't know, but anyway, good job on getting lucky on that one. So I mean, if you want to re-enter, I mean, it did this yesterday from 14 basically. It at least doubled. Could do the same thing again today. You never know. But I doubt this is going to become a $1 stock someday. I doubt it'll become a 10-cent stock one day. I don't know why it's getting pumped here, but look, man, you just never know. Sometimes you get lucky. Oh, that was the one you were going to double. So was it WDLF News? Social Life Network. Social Life Network is an artificial intelligence and blockchain powered business and consumer social networking platform targeted to niche B2B industries. What? That's the dumbest thing. How do you take a social, how do you, artificial intelligence and blockchain? Okay, how much, here, okay, look, I'm just going to redo I'm just going to redo their thing. Social Life Network is an artificial intelligence and blockchain powered autonomous vehicle company that does lithium ion batteries for targeting niche B2B industries with automation and and high THC levels. Yeah, buzzword bingo. There you go, Ellie. Yeah, sorry. Let me get closer to my screen so I can actually read. Oh, neural net. Damn it, Mohammed. I forgot. Well, they did have artificial intelligence. I'll consider that a win. I'll take the win. Powered by lithium carbon fiber nanotube electrophosphate batteries and marijuana. What? What do you mean and marijuana? Yes, that's right. Oh, disruptive. That had to be in there. I'm okay. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Ellie, we need to put a press release together for our new business. It's gonna be called. Okay. All right. We got to come up with a name. Oh, this is. And then we'll put it on the Associated Press. It'll cost like $500, but it'll be worth it. And then we'll IPO through a SPAC, and yeah, good stuff. I told you not to buy that. It's already back down to 15 from 19. I told you. But then when it goes back up to 0.002. I told you to buy it. That's how this works. Just so you guys know. DocuSign leading the board today. Ooh, earnings. That could be good. Earnings, post earnings can be good. It wasn't good this time around, but maybe it'll be good this. Look at DocuSign on the weekly. Jeez. I had a thought yesterday and I loosely tested it and it seemed to work okay for some type of a strategy. Because basically everything that we're seeing right now is doubling within even MasterCard. Based on that conversation, that short talk we had yesterday, whatever the thing is that I brought up there, about things doubling. Like maybe this gets to 500 within a year or two. I don't know. But anyway, just think about things doubling and for a year, and that's the options play. Make it very simple. I guess that would be 600, wouldn't it? Oh no, 250, so that would be 500. So a year from now would be 2022, and it's like 400%. Yeah, 384%. 400% on the dot. 396, 390, 395. Anyway, so it's possible. I thought about it. I haven't implemented it. Did a little bit of back testing. Seemed to work really well. You seem to get about between 3 and 500% returns on 12-month doubling options. I don't know if that's standard or not. Pretty good. Pretty good. Air X. How about Lithium X? No, LIX. LIX. There you go. Or is it LIX book? We could try to tap Facebook in there too. I like social neural network. That is amazing. Let's do AI designed. AI designed and developed for, and we can put some programmer geek stuff. SOCNet. No, not SOCNet. It doesn't sound right. Could do X. We could do the X after that. CRISPR's up there too. We do CRISPR X. Ooh, that's not bad. Social X. Nah, looks like you're reaching. Looks like Uber's continuing a little bit. Okay, so it has to be a word that is not spelled how we spell it with X at the end. That's what it has to be. Extended CBD. No, I think the AI, putting AI, disruptive, CBD, and lithium in there, that it all has to coalesce. And EVs. So, okay, so it has to be it has to be an EV company with a social network of drivers, right? An EV company with social network of drivers that are potheads. We could have CBD air freshener, something like that. Oh yeah, the whole network's controlled by AI. So how about it's a robo taxi EV social network? I'm loving it. Robo taxi EV social network that is controlled by AI, designed by ML, and CRM. We'll see if we can throw it in there. Designed by MI, or controlled by AI, designed by ML, powered by LI. And then CBD based air purifier. Yes. Yes. CBD based air purifier. Perfect. CBD based because it's not like you're getting high. There you go. CBD based air purifier. Neural net. Yep, neural net. Oh, it has to be data driven too. A data driven, a data driven robotaxi EV social networking service controlled by AI, designed by ML, powered by lithium ion with a CBD air based purifying system that allows you to. There you go. Perfect. That allows you to. Um, I don't want to get political with it. I really want to stay like tech and stock driven. Dude, I'm telling, we're gonna get funded so hard. They're gonna fund us so hard. I'm loving it. It's perfect. All right, it has to predict something. Predictive analytics. Oh, that sounds like next level. That allows you to use predictive analytics. Perfect. We're staying with the business to find synergies in the. Oh, now we're just making shit up. In the post-consumer. I'm on a roll now. You guys gotta step it up too. In the post-consumer, um, should end on a cliffhanger. Hmm. How about post-consumption? Next century society. Ooh, solar powered. Well, we have Li. Um, in post-consumption, something like shifting demographic. Use predictive analytics to find synergies in the post-consumption. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to do this. Sorry, I just forgot what I said. This is too funny. Find synergies in the post-consumption. What did I say? I don't know what I said. I'm not. I'm gonna have to type this. I'm literally crying. This is funny. That's what that company reminds me of. Oh, oh, pandemic. Oh no, don't add that too. That adds like two or three more lines. This is already getting hard to keep together. All right, I literally forgot what I said. If you guys can rewind it, that would be great. This is what I got. We need the name still, but it's a data-driven robotaxi service, robotaxi electric vehicle social networking service controlled by AI, designed by ML, powered by a lithium ion, with a CBD-based air purifying system that allows you to use predictive analytics to find synergies in the in the post-COVID consumption-based economy. Maybe that's it. The front reads a little heavy. The front reads a little heavy. It's a little thick. The CBD thing may have to go because that just doesn't fit. Solar powered economy, consumption based solar powered economy, consumption based. There's got to be something other than solar. Um, Bi-directional, something like charging and discharging. Because everything in the Post-COVID consumption-based, rapidly reusable electricity market. Rapidly reusable electricity market. Rapidly reusable. Electricity is too specific. Utility economy. Perfect. Rob, we're on to bigger and better things, man. Night. WLDF. Come on. We're talking about. It's called Energy Z, is what it's called. Energies. How about energies with a Z? That's not too bad. Well, I was trying to make shit up. Energy Z, a data driven robotaxi, um, an EV robotaxi service. All right. Yes, energies. Yes, energies. That's not bad. With two E's. How about GYZ? That's as horrible as it gets. I'm having way too much. I feel way better than I did yesterday, and I'm having way too much fun with this. I don't even care what the stock market's doing right now. If you're watching for stock related stuff, go elsewhere. Yep, see, two people just left. They got the message. Let's get this down to our core audience. Energies is pretty good. How about you put an E at the end of it? Oh, put a Y at the end of it. Energiezy. No, that's a little too like you're making fun of it. It's got to be a little bit. It's got to have a little bit of validity to it. Do I need to be popular though, Ellie? It'd be nice, kind of. Yes, but then I would have to be very serious all the time. All right, I'm starting a Google Doc. I'm writing it down, but a Google Doc's easier. Energy YZ looks just bad enough to be an over-the-counter stock. All right. A data-driven, EV-powered robotaxi service that uses next generation CBD to enable passenger comfort levels unsurpassed in this fledgling industry. That can be erased. Controlled by MI, controlled by AI, designed by ML, and powered by LI. We allow you to use, no, we use predictive analytics powered by LI. We use predictive analytics to find synergies in the post-COVID consumption-based rapidly reusable consumer or utility economy. All right, this is what I got. This is what I got. It's called Energies. A data-driven EV-powered robotaxi service that uses next-generation CBD to enable passenger comfort levels unsurpassed in. Okay, see, there's not enough fluff right there. Needs to be more fluff right there. Unsurpassed in Uh, darn it. Ooh, Litecoin, DocuSign good. Mm. Data driven and blockchain powered. Data driven and blockchain secured. Yeah, fine. We'll do stocks. Yeah, it's getting old for me too. Okay, that's fun until I start actually typing it. Okay. Hmm. I do like that DocuSign move. That one's pretty good. PLNHF continues. Where's UAL? UAL has been on a beautiful little run. MU, it's doing what we thought it would do, right? Which is why we're like, what the fuck? Yeah, it's doing exactly what we thought it would do. Long-term turnaround play, motherfucker. Yeah, we screwed that one up. Had it at 55, wasn't it? I think it was before this. Yeah, right down here. We had it as it popped up here. It just never came back. Yeah. I'm telling you, man, we got to do that stock review thing. Long-term turnaround plays. Booyah. Spotify broke out the other day on some news that Salesforce was looking to buy them. No, wait, was this the Salesforce news one? This wasn't Salesforce news. This has to be something else. Spotify's exploring cryptocurrency blockchain. Oh, that was work. Yeah. Look at Starbucks, man. Also, long-term turnaround play. Beautiful. Yeah, there you go. That was the one. Wow, super tight up here, but crazy volumes. That is nuts. Can't say I'm sure what to make of that, to be honest with you. That is a lot of volume with zero price movement. Are they actually buying them? Or are they just talking about it? Yeah, Micron. Darn it. We screwed the pooch on that one. Things up 50%. And that was back in only a month ago. That was back a month ago. Talk about using predictive analytics. Looks like Tesla's inching higher. Look at that move on Micron out there from 2015. From 11 to 61. Jeez. What caused that? Eli Lilly? I don't know if I want to chase an Eli Lilly. It is a little cup and handle right there. Quite a bit of distribution though in the handle. That's not super nice. What's VFF doing? Oh, what's he? Oh, there's Very Fine Foods. Very Fine Foods. Look at that. Remember I mentioned that candle the other day wasn't a huge deal. The volume was relatively low. And we're actually, look at these peak closes we've been getting on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 peak closes in like 7 days. We'll see how today ends up. I'm not even counting today. I didn't even count this bar right there, which was an excellent close and a pocket pivot. It's not even counting that one. So this thing is on its way up. What's the market cap on this one? It's over the counter. I'm not gonna be able to find it easily. Is that? Yeah, there we go. Market watch. Very good food company. Those Very Fine Foods. When it changed to Very Good Foods. UAL? I don't know. I'm gonna have to check StockShed. Do we have it in StockShed? I do. And Did you say one that was negative 723% for a gain? That's funny. Target 63 is what I have on one of the ones on StockShed. Plant-based food tech market cap. Okay, 550 million. So this thing could easily double and get to a billion. And it's over the counter. So if it ever gets listed on a frickin' exchange, you're looking at a $20 stock here, which is why kind of it's really weird. I never buy stuff like this, but I saw this. I'm like, wow, not bad. You were able to all time. Oh, you're thinking about a longer term play? Man, you know what? I got that's. I don't know if you. I don't know if I can call that. I mean, you're thinking about 100? Yeesh. I don't know. I'm not comfortable with that for whatever that's worth. So you go out. Yeah, even if it gets to 100, you're only looking at 180% in gain on a January 2023. You think it's going to go that much? The only way I would even know how to attempt to do that would be pi method. So that would be your like I don't have that much confidence. So that would have to be your primary. If you're lucky, this is your intermediate trend line. But I don't know, man. You're gonna have to see some good numbers. So according to this particular trend line, 100 would be May. That's tricky. You have till June, and that is 878%. That is not even enough reward for that kind of risk, in my opinion. That would need to be like a 5,000% gain for that to. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe, but we haven't seen it. So if you look at some of the COVID names, like Boeing. Boeing may be one to come back quicker. And Ryanair just placed an order for a bunch of jets. They may have gotten a big discount. But like, what's Boeing back to 350? Let's look at that. That's only at the same exit place. So that's only 270%. It's not very good. I'm not a big fan. I'd still rather take freaking Tesla, the next leg up on Tesla, to be honest with you. I mean, that's my opinion, but like I took those I bought some February calls up here, and those, well, back then they were 600% gain. I'm not sure what they're at right now, but I would feel much more comfortable in that trade than I would in a UAL back to highs in a stock that's trying to maybe get back on its feet. That is much too risky, in my opinion, for an options play. So February on Tesla is 286 is your max high, but you can get a 250 it basically the 590 if that's something you're willing to do. I would much rather do that than do a UA. That's my opinion, though. I have much more confidence in a Tesla than a UAL. Well, it can. Well, it's different with options, Rob. It's much different with options because things are crazier. Like my UAL position, I think it's already doubled. Yeah, it's 93%, so it's pretty good. Yeah, so things can move quick out of lows. Keep in mind we usually don't watch things out of lows. I think he's doing stocks, Rob. Yeah, I'll think about it, Mohammed. Fuck, man. I'm just not designed to make courses. Not in the 2021 consumable manner. It's really hard. Really, really hard for me. Yeah, I'd like that. Nobody wants to team up though, so is what it is. And then I got the other thing too. Like the other day, I busted ass on it and did a bunch of good stuff. Um, but it was overnight when I should have been sleeping. During the day though, my kids take up so much of my time. What's L&D? What's that? Oh, learning and development. Gotcha. Yeah. Really? Being called a trainer is an insult? Yeah, Micron going for it. Sup, JJ? What's this one?
Yeah,
Hi, James. You say yeah like I called you. Did you think? No, I didn't.
my ears.
Mm-mm. No, I said JJ. Yeah, JJ. JJ just popped in. It's 8:04 already? Jeez. Yeah, see, it's a way to make money from home. Gotta do consulting. I don't know, you mentioned that one the other day, Rob. Um, it's doing, it actually looks pretty good. Already up to well, it's down to 344 right now, but up from 22 cents a year ago. Geesh. Another over the counter. I mean, very good volume signatures. I can't argue with that. It's a little bit too extended. If it can consolidate nicely this four, I think that could be good. Moderna. Um, so Moderna already had a topping candle, so it's done for now. It could come back in a couple of weeks. Don't get me wrong, but um, what does Planeter do again? I don't even know, to be honest with you. I forgot. And Planetar, I think, is done also kind of in the same way. Um, again, not knowing much about it. I need to get my freaking volume on here. Yeah, and NAO is in trouble, which and it's great that Tesla's just eating up every other EV. think it's I think it's amazing what it's able to do. Absolutely fantastic. I I like this chart. It's setting up pretty good. I need to get some volume on here though. It's really difficult. Are you leaving? Yeah. Okay. And I'm by myself with the kids again. See, that's why I can't get anything done. Yeah, no, I like this one. I mean, it's if you have some patience. Again, I don't know what the fuck this thing does. Yeah, like I have no idea what it does. But I mean, the chart pattern's promising. Could come back. F cell. Yeah, this thing just blasted the fuck off. AQB. Is that the salmon one? That's a salmon one, isn't it? Aqua Bounty. Yeah, I think that's the salmon one. Yeah, salmon one. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, so Oh, we didn't see this. We didn't see that blast off right there. Look at my trend line. Well, if you can, because, you know, what the man, I love and I hate Thinkorswim all simultaneously. It's lovely. So that is a very good blast off for this one. This is a very, very good. Yeah, I do like this. I don't know much. Let's look it up. AQB. Oh, they're on the NASDAQ. What? No way. I didn't realize that. 283 million market cap. EPS next year 41%. Great performance. Really small float. Uh, Institutional transactions are very good. Price to sales. They have no sales. Maybe they're going to start selling pretty soon. That does look good, though. That looks really good. Looks like chat's disconnected. My stream seems to be okay. Oh, okay, looks like I'm back. I don't know if you guys can see that on my screen or not, but yeah, this really does look good. This looks like initial volume coming in. I mean, I'm half tempted to actually like buy some freaking option on this thing. $6. It's not really worth it. You're gonna pay more than that for the damn option. So you can pay six. You can pay $7.40 for a $6.90 stock. $8.70, $10.30, and $12.50. If you have it, yeah, I actually don't mind that, Muhammad. To be honest with you, I really don't mind that. I'm half tempted. I'm half tempted. That's a good initial pop. It looks like it's rallying through. I don't know what's coming up, but someone's accumulating for some reason this whole year. I don't know what it is, but maybe some news. Turk Rounds just spent 10 million on Aqua Bounties. Oh yeah, here's new. Yeah. Oh yeah, they added this stuff. I've seen this before. Look at that, 10 million. Wow, 10 million 10 on August. Sheesh. At 250. Holy crap. These guys have almost tripled their investment at 250. I was down here. Damn. Yeah. Looks really good. Yeah, I don't mind adding. I may actually buy some of that. I wish I could get some options, but it doesn't make any sense. I always buy these things small. Like I have Riot, I've got Very Fine Foods. They're gonna do crab. I love crab. Do some crab. Make it cheaper than freaking $20 a pound. I haven't had crab in forever because I'm cheap. Um, Maybe I'm buying this account. I can do some margin in this account. Wonder what margin prices are on this account. Yeah, crab sticks. All right, JJ, I'll look at F cell for a laugh. Yeah, I get it. 720 bucks. Yeah. Yeah, 10x here would be great. What would that option net you? um, so that'd be 1925 to January 2023 for F cell. Crab and lobster's overrated. It's all in the taste buds, my friend. It's all in the taste buds. Oh, 6,000? Oh, wow, yeah. They must have done some reverse splits. Yeah. Yeah, these are always weird stocks to deal with. Of course, fuel cells are garbage, so I mean, once batteries are better and more readily available, fuel cells won't even make any sense. Oh, is it lighter? Well, I guess maybe it would be. Yeah, but JJ, you'd have to go supercharger network on that bitch. You'd have to go to every little airport and put in well, call them and ask them. You got an electric airplane company, call them and ask them. They'll talk to you. And then just use it for investment purposes. I'm sure they get calls from people all the time that, you know. Well, no, yeah, I'm familiar with fuel cells. I know the technology, but well, it's just in the same way that there's no, you know, no electric charging stations. There's no fuel cells. I mean, this has been the debate going back 20 years now about charging stations for alternative fuel vehicles. Whether it was the only thing that was they did was natural gas, but that never really took on. What do those guys do? Ah, it's 8:13. I gotta go. Zero Avia, world's first practical zero emission aviation powertrain, initially 20 seat airplanes. Cool. Yeah, well, maybe there is something. 25 cents. We talked about it. 25 cents, Rob. Oh yeah, it looks like we had a bull flag on it right there. Whoops. Moonshot. I don't know. It's a double-edged sword, guys. It's a double-edged sword. You know, I would much rather make consistent returns on stocks that have good setups, good fundamentals, and are growing, and the market likes them as the market's in a bull market, rather than buying something like FCell, which may go up 500% in a year. You know what I mean? Which may go up 500% in a year. This wouldn't happen to actually work out. But you're going to buy 10 of them. Okay, let's say you got $1,000 and then you buy 10 of these types of stocks and one of them goes. One of them goes 500%. Now you've doubled that account. Okay, no, your account's up by 50% because you bought 10. I'm thinking about 5 position sizes. So now your account's up 50%. Now what? Those other 10 do nothing. Those other 10 do nothing. Yeah, see, me personally, this is what I'm doing. This is what I do. This is what I do. I take those high quality stocks with great chart patterns, and I use options as leverage, and I double positions constantly. I'm much more comfortable doing that than trying to do this kind of stuff. I do like AQB though. I do think this one's pretty cool. That being said, not necessarily a moonshot, but for whatever leg this goes, this actually is pretty decent. Plus, it's not 25 cents; it's $8, and it's on the Nasdaq, which means it's a quality stock. So I think yeah, I do like this. Yeah, but these will be small position sizes for me. I get what you're saying, JJ. Yeah, I mean, if you want to do 1% on a solid chart, I mean, I can't be mad at that, but I can't focus on that because it takes a lot of focus away from all these other ones that are doing amazing things. You know, like how many stocks do we follow generally that are breaking out 10, 20, 40, 50, 100% in the past several months? You're talking a lot of them that are actively breaking out. You know, I think that's a little more valuable. But yeah, I mean, I don't mind these ones. I just it's hard to spend a majority of time like Micron. Like freaking look at Micron. You know, 35% with an option that probably right now would be at least double, maybe up 150% depending on the strike price you bought. Like that's really really good risk reward right now. So I gotta go, guys. It's 8:17. I gotta put my newsletter together, and then do crypto, and then do the power hour and stuff. So I gotta bounce. Market's doing okay. Not mad at it. I mean everything's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Micron's gone. Even our small ones are doing good. So yeah. Oh, it's Friday. That's right. Yeah. Have a good weekend, everybody. Stay safe out there, and have a good day. All right.